is Ishita Naram, the project's head of IEEE RAS. I thank you all who joined us this evening. It gives me enormous pleasure to welcome you to the first edition of RAS Verse 2022. Let's start with a brief introduction of our chapter, IEEE Robotics and Automation Society. We are a group of young innovators who are interested in the technology for future and wish to utilize it to our maximum potential. IEEE Robotics and Automation Society is a student chapter at VIT Vellore. Our members are multidisciplinary enthusiasts of innovative computational techniques and precision robotics. This chapter has a successful team of engineering students who have worked on significant projects and staged several technical events at the institution. We are a subsidiary of one of the largest edtech organizations, IEEE Robotics and Automation Society. We actively collaborate with various industrial and academic organizations to exploit mutual relation to research and use it to make useful products.
Some of our annual events include Quizeria. Quizeria is an interactive event conducted over 48 hours where the participants are divided into groups facing off each other in 3 rounds designed to test one's general knowledge, logical thinking, as well as a grasp of various technical topics. The aim is to have fun, but also learn new things along the way. The event focuses on promoting teamwork, cooperation, and creative thinking. The other event is Idea Find. IEEE RAS extends a platform for all young and innovative minds who want to try and find solutions to real questions out there. There are 6 tracks, and all teams can choose the track to find solution to those problems. A few words about RAS Verse. RAS Verse is one of a kind of an event wherein the participants will learn, ideate, innovate, and build projects from scratch. From listening to speakers from all across the world to participating in hackathons, ideathon, cryptic events, tech quiz, and many fun-filled events. RAS Verse is a hybrid event in which majority of the event will be held online and only the final round of the hackathon and quiz will be held offline. Through this event, we are trying to bring all the robotics and automation enthusiasts. To facilitate this, we have invited prominent speakers who are professors, researchers, or industry leaders from different parts of the world. We are creating an unparalleled platform for idea sharing, networking, and the dissemination of the state of the art research. A fun filled 2 month long season from 25th June to 24th August featuring tech talks, ideathon, hackathon, quizzes, and fun interactive sessions that will help you boost your skills to the next level and expose different fields in robotics and automation.
So remember these exciting events and market dates. Speaker sessions. During this session, various professors, leaders, and lecturers will brief us about various trending topics on robotics and automation. These will be conducted throughout the 2 months period. Idea Find Plus from 15th of July to 17th of July. It's an ideathon in which participants will be describing their ideas in short and intensive manner and work in teams and use design thinking and innovative learning practices to ideate and collaborate on possible solutions. Hackathon from 28th June to 20th August. Multiple rounds will be conducted in which participants will solve a particular problem statement and demonstrate their fully functional projects in our custom workspace. Tech Quiz from 13th August to 14th August. There will be four different rounds of Tech Quiz. The first 3 rounds will be conducted online and the final round will be conducted offline. Informal events. Various informal events will be conducted just to make the participants familiar with the atmosphere and keep them motivated through the RAS verse.
IEEE RAS is offering participants and winners a fun range of prizes for our event RAS Verse. that is being held from June 25th to August 24th. There is a prize pool of rupees 80,000 for all the events to be conducted over the course of RAS Verse, which include Idea Find, Hackathon, Tech Quiz, and many more. There will also be free swags for all the participants. The prizes will be announced during the event, so do attend and participate to win all these exciting prizes and much more. We have been working very hard to make this event a success. So stay with us on this journey, and we guarantee that you'll have an unforgettable experience like never before.
We would like to thank our sponsors, Taskid, Wolfram, and Balsamic, for trusting us and helping us deliver this amazing event. Last but not the least, do not forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter. Also, be sure to join our Discord server, RASverse, for further updates and future hackathon. Good luck, participants.